Hi, Clay-chan. So today I'm gonna make a chicken nanban. Have you ever had it before? So chicken nanban is a deep fried chicken thigh and then dip in a sweet and sour sauce. This sauce is very important. And then eat with a taru sauce. I have never met anyone who dislike a chicken nanban. And also, it is a very popular chicken dish in Japan that originated in Miyazaki Prefecture. So I hope you also love it. I love it. I love it. So, okay, let's get started.
So this time there are three type of recipe. So first from the taru sauce, but if you feel hassle to make it, you can get it at supermarket. And second, sweet and sour sauce. All of these ingredients are 2 tablespoons. So last one, it is ingredients for the deep fried chicken thigh. So first, I will briefly explain how to make a tartar sauce. So boil 2 eggs for 11 minutes. I want to cook the yolks well, so boil them for a long time. And then peel the shells on the boiled eggs and mince. Like this. So next, mince the quarter size onions, but be careful, onion makes your eyes water. So after cutting it, put it and mince the egg in a bowl together. Like this. And then moreover, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and sprinkle some salt and pepper. And then stir well. And then the tartar sauce is ready.
So now I'm gonna make a vinegar sauce. I put the all ingredients in a fry pan. This is a 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of honey. And then turn on the medium heat.
So stir until boiling about 1 or 2 minutes. Then the vinegar sauce is ready.
煮立ったね。Oh, good smell, vinegar. Okay, so vinegar sauce is ready. I will leave it. And then I'm gonna make a deep fried chicken thigh. Next. So, okay, first, remove the chicken thigh's skin. Hey. Okay. And then I will make some hole. Hey. Okay. And then I sprinkle some black pepper and salt, the both side. So, and then coat with chicken thigh with flour, the both side. Okay, done. Let's deep fry the chicken thigh. So, okay, next. Hi. Okay, put oil about 1 centimeter high in a fry pan. So warm the oil to about 170 degrees. Turn on the medium heat. So while waiting, I will prepare the chicken thigh. 卵にチキンを絡めておきます。So, okay. So when you put the tip of dry chopstick on the bottom, a fine bubble will come out, right? So it means the oil is 170 degrees already. So let's deep fry the chicken thigh. よいしょ。わっ。 good though. こんがり焼き色つきました。It looks very good, right? Nice smell. So, and then I wanna put the chicken thigh into vinegar sauce. Cover well. たっぷりつけてね。And then let's cut and serve to the plate. Okay, I wanna cut the chicken thigh into a bit-sized pieces. My grandma doesn't have a strong teeth. 見て、めっちゃいい色。It looks so good and it looks so juicy. Have a look. Chicken juice is here. So half is to my father and half is to my grandma. Thank you. I'm not sure, is it enough for my father? It's okay. Let's serve it to the plate. Broccoli also. I boiled before. So I wanna add more vinegar sauce. And tartar sauce as well. Ta-da! できました。I made a chicken南蛮. Okay, my grandma will try it. さあ、これは何よと言われましたが、チキン南蛮です。
チキン
チキン
南蛮
南蛮。
食べていいの？
うん、食べてみて。
食べ。
せっかくだから。パッちゃんが泣いとるな、外で。はい。
いただきます。
どうぞ、召し上がれ。
大きいね。
あ、いや、大きい？ちっちゃく切ったつもりだったんだけど。
いただきます。いいの？
いいよ。辛いかしら？長いな。
おいしい匂いが。
匂い？
辛くもない。ちょうどいい味よ。
あ、辛くないね。
辛くないの。あ、酸っぱいって思わないよ。
あ、ほんと。お酢が
ちょうどいい。甘口。
あ、甘口や。
うん
食べやすいね、じゃあね。
おいしい。食べやすい。
うん、食べやすい。
ありがとう。
ありがとう。いや、もっとどうぞ。もっとどうぞ。あ、おばあちゃん、これ、レモンかけて食べたい。
レモンをかける。
そう、レモンもかけて味が変わるよ。
やっぱりレモンかけたら違う味が美味しい。
違う？ちょっと爽やかな味になった。爽やかな味になりましたか？爽やかな味になった。
爽やかな味。
言わせた感がある。オッケー。よかったよかった。
美味しいです。
美味しいです。じゃあまた次のご飯も食べてください。
ありがとう。
ありがとう。And then thank you for watching, guys.
美味しい美味しい。もう一個食べようかい。
食べて食べて。So thank you for watching, guys. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And please give a thumbs up as well.
ありがとう。
ありがとう。美味しいです。
最高。
最高。やっと最高も。そう、じゃあおばあちゃん一緒に またねちこうやってバイバイ。
ありがとう。
Yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
おいしいおいしい。
おいしいおいしい。よかったよかった。